Okay, so now we are ready to go to exercise 2, which is the new keys home. So in exercise 1, we have learned finger position, we have learned typing tips, how you should place your fingers. We have learned about the home row, which is made up of ASDF and then JKL semicolon. And then your two thumbs should be on the space bar. We have also learned that you should rest your wrists above. Don't put them on the keyboard. They should be above, all right, suspended. And then when you are sitting to type, you should sit straight, chest up, so that it won't hurt your back. All right, so let's go now to the next, which is new keys, home row. So click on it. Beautiful. So these hands here, these are fingers showing you the various positions. You see that every finger here has a color on it, which matches with the color on there of the letter on the keyboard. All right, as you can see. So this is how you position. So in this lesson, you will learn the home row, ASDF and JKL semicolon. Now when you position your finger, you press space bar to continue. This is space bar here, that long place on your keyboard. This is space bar, they have written space on it. All right, so you're going to put your finger on ASDF as they have as it is on the keyboard, and JKL. Remember, your small finger should be your smallest finger should be here. All right, so when you are done, you click space bar. All right, you go to the next. Start from the little finger, place your left hand's finger on ASDF. All right, so place your left hand finger now, all right, on ASDF. That is the first lesson. Have you placed your finger there? Have you placed your finger on ASDF? So if you have placed your finger on ASDF, don't press, just lift your fingers above, but they should be on those keys, and press space bar. On this other hand, you're going to start on JKL semicolon. Have you placed your fingers on them? So realize now that all your two fingers are on the keyboard, right? Don't press on these keys, let them just be resting on them. Then click space bar to the next. Let your thumbs rest on the space bar. So put your two thumbs on the space bar. Are your thumbs on the space bar? If yes, press the space bar, we'll go to the next. Now your hands are in the basic position, all right? ASDF and JKLG. Just be singing ASDF, JKL semicolon, ASDF, JKL semicolon, ASDF, JKL semicolon. Take note of the position, all right, of the positions. You need to memorize them in your hand, so that even if you close your eyes, you can see my eyes are on J, my finger is on J. I'm going to press J now. I'm going to press K. I'm going to press semicolon. I'm going to press L. I'm going to press S. I'm going to press. So study those keys, all right? Those are your home row keys. So click on your space bar. Now try typing A with the left hand. We begin now the typing exercise. So try typing A with your left hand. You can look at. You need to look at the screen, not the keyboard. So your fingers are on the keyboard and you're looking at the screen. A is the smallest finger on the left, so I click. They say good. Try typing S. You click S. As I click it, it's showing. Try typing Z. You click Z. That's indicating you on the keyboard. Try typing F. You click F. Now try typing J. You click J. Try typing K. You click K. Try typing L. You click L, and try typing semicolon. You click semicolon. Any mistake that you do, they will show you. Always use the same thumb to press space bar. So we are using our right thumb to press space bar. Great. You can now start the first drill. Press space bar again. Alright, so this first drill, we have drill. The duration is 3 to 5 minutes. If you don't finish it between 3 to 5 minutes, you will fail. Your accuracy goal should be 94% at least. Alright. And then objective, you learn and memorize the new key position and develop correct finger key reaches. So that is it. You are to memorize the new key position. Alright. So end here, and then we'll continue the typing exercise. So you can go over this exercise again by taking cancel. You go back to this exercise and redo it.